Hello children, I am Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Today we will do our exercises from Environmental Science book. So please take out your Environmental Science book and we will just do our exercises of chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just we know that we have already learnt about Saina, the girl who have told you about herself. So we'll just have the look to Saina and we will tell her about ourselves. So go for page number 2 of your book and the exercise time. It shows you that Saina told you about herself. She wants to be your friend and wants to know you. Tell her about yourself. So Saina has already told about herself and now you are going to tell about yourself. So you are going to start your conversation with Saina. Hello Saina, I am. So in the fill up, you are in the blank, you are going to write your name. So write down your name. Next, I am a. Now, how old are you? You are 6 years old. So write 6-year old. You can write in spellings. I am 6-year old. Okay. Now, you are a girl or boy. You are going to fill up this blank with the word whether you are girl or you are a boy. So write down if you are a girl and if you are a boy, write down here boy. Okay. Now next sentence is my birthday is on. Write down your birthday. Then I study in dash school. So name of your school and in which class? Class first. Isn't it? You are in class first and your name of the school. You are going to write the name of the school. Then my family. So my father's name is. So write down your father name. Next is your mother name. Then address where you stay. Write the full address where you stay. After that, you have an activity that is paste a family photograph where you have your mummy, you have your daddy. If you have a brother, sister, the photograph will have all the family members. Okay, so just paste a family photograph here. Now go for the next page, page number 3. Now you are going to paste the pictures or draw it. So if you are good in drawing, you can draw the pictures, and if you want to paste picture, you can also from the picture chart you can paste the pictures. So what pictures you are going to draw or paste? I like means the food you like. whatever food you like. If you like ice cream, you can paste the picture of ice cream, or you can draw it. If you like chocolate, you can draw it or paste the picture of chocolate. So whatever food you like, you are going to paste or draw the picture. Now here game, which game you like, you have to paste the picture or draw the picture of the game you like. Okay, now which animal you like, that picture of animal or you are going to paste or draw. Okay, now this one, the dress you like, which dress you like, draw it or paste it. Okay, so in these 4 boxes you are going to draw or paste pictures of the things which you like. Okay, now go for the next. I do not like. Whatever you don't like, so write it. How Saina has written that she doesn't like fighting, she doesn't like tea. So whatever you do not like, you just write 3 statements of it. Okay, so this is your activity. Okay, now we will go for our next chapter, My Body. Okay, page number, open page number 7 of your book, page number 7 of your book, and you can see the exercise time. And here you can see the first exercise, name the body parts with the help of clues. You have been given the jumble words of the body parts. You must have already listened to the videos, whatever was already sent to you, and I think you will know all the parts of the body now. Okay, so just you go for all the jumble words and write down the right word. Okay, so now here you can see YEE. So this is a jumble word. So from this word you can find out the body part EYEI. Okay, next one is FACE, face. Then NOSE, nose. Then wrist, WRIST, wrist. You have next jumble word LEG, leg. You have next FEET, feet. HAIR, hair. HEAD, head. EAR, ear. ARM, arm. HAND, hand. TOES, toes. Okay, now as you have written all the body parts properly, so you can just go through the body parts which this boy is having. Okay, so you have eyes, so you can see the arrow going towards eye. Can you see? Okay, now face, you can see the arrows where it is pointing towards face. Then you have nose, you can see boy's nose. Wrist, you can see the wrist. You can see the leg, you can see the foot. Then you can see the hair, head, ear, arm, then hand, and then toes. So you have been given all the body parts pointed towards this boy. Okay, so all the body parts are shown in this picture of a boy. Okay, now go for the next exercise, that is the circle the correct answer. Now you have been given with two words and one option is given. You are going for the words. Okay. Now I have black or brown hair. So whatever color of hair you have, usually we have black color hair. So we have circled this black hair. Now I have long or short hair. Now if you are a girl, you are having long hair, so circle it long. You have girls will circle long hair and boys will circle short hair. Okay. Then I have small or big feet. You are a small boy or girl, so you will always have small feet. Okay, your mummy and daddy will be having big feet, so you have to circle small feet. Now I have white or yellow teeth. So teeth, you are always having a white teeth. You have to brush properly, so you will have always white teeth. So just circle white. Now I have curly or straight hair. See in the mirror and see whether you have curly or you have straight hair. So if you have curly hair, then circle curly, and if you have straight hair, then circle straightward. Okay. Now go for the next one. Okay. Fill in the blanks. My dash help me to walk. So which body part helps you to walk? Is your legs. So write the spelling of legs. Legs. There are two legs. That is why they are saying legs. Okay. Now I have dash fingers in one hand. So in one hand you have 5 fingers. So write down F-I-V-5. I have dash hands and dash feet. So how many hands you have? 2 hands and 2 feet. I use dash to write. I use my dash to write. So what you are using, which part of your body you are using to write is your hand. So you have to write, I use my hand to write. Okay. Now go for your third chapter, that is sense organs. Okay. So you know that you have eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue as your sense organs. So just go for the exercise on page number 9. Page number 9. So just go for it. Write the names of the body parts that help Saina to do the following. See the pair. So which body part helps you to see? Is your eyes. So write down E-Y-E-S, eyes. Next one, feel the pair. Feel means you are going to use your hand. So H-A-N-D, hand. Then write down hand. Then smell the pair. So for smelling you have your body part N-O-S-E, nose. Then for hear her mother slicing the pear. So for hearing you use your ears, E-A-R-S, ears. And to taste the pear you are going to use your tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Now go to page number 10. You have to match the two columns. So you have been given with column A and column B. So you have to match the organs, sense organs with the U's. Okay. Now here eyes. Eyes is for what? To see. Now see, eyes here and see here. So just draw a straight line and match it. eyes and see, match. Then go for the second word, nose. Nose is for what? To smell. So just go for the word smell and match it. Match. Then you have ears. Ears is for what? To hear. So you are having the word hear. Ear. So just match the ears with hear. Then go for skin. You have feel. The word is feel. Last one is tongue. Tongue is for taste. So just match tongue with the word taste. Next one, fill in the blanks. So you have to fill the blanks, whatever is there. So first one, I read a book with my eyes. You read your books with your what? Eyes. So write down eyes. I use my dash to taste an ice cream. So you are using your tongue, T-U-N-G-U-E, tongue to taste an ice cream. Then I can feel a soft toy with my, you have the filling up with your what? With your hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. I hear the sound of drums with my ears. I smell a flower with my nose. Okay? Okay, page number 11. You have to look at the picture of the cat, compare its body part with yours and fill it in the blanks. Okay, so I have dash eyes and so does the cat. So you also have eyes and cat also have eyes. So how many eyes the cat have? 2 eyes, and we are also having 2 eyes. So we are writing I have 2 eyes and so does the cat. I have 2 legs but the cat has dash legs. Now if you see, you are having 2 legs but the cat is having how many legs? 4 legs. Okay, so write down F-O-U-R, 4. Then I have no tail but the cat has 1 tail. So cat is having tail. We do not have tail. So O-N-E, 1 tail. I have dash tongue and so does the cat. So the cat is having 1 tongue and we are also having 1 tongue. So O-N-E, 1 tongue. I eat with my hand like the cat. So write down H-A-N-D, hand. Now, correct or incorrect statements. You have to read the statement and you have to mark it as correct or incorrect. For correct statements, you have to put tick mark, and for incorrect statements, you have to put cross mark. Okay? So go for. Our hands are also sense organs. No, our hands are not a sense organ. Our skin is the sense organ. So you are going to put cross over here. We taste with our tongue. Is it correct? Yes. You are going to put tick mark. Our eyes help us to smell. Our eyes help us to smell? No. So we are going to cross it. Our nose help us to smell. Okay. So cross this. Okay. Our skin help us to feel things. Yes. Our skin help us to feel things. Okay. We have our body parts. So it is very necessary to look after our body. We have to keep our body neat and clean. Okay, so the chapter 4 is about looking after my body. Looking after my body. So all the living things need to look after their body. Otherwise, what will happen? They will be not feeling well and they will be sick. Okay, so here what is given is Saina's pet kitten is in her bathtub. Saina is singing a song for her. So you can see the picture. Yes, Saina is sitting and she is cleaning her pet cat, isn't it? So, and she is singing, I will wipe you clean with this towel blue. Your milk and bread are waiting for you. So she is giving bath to her kitten. So our body is important to us. We must look after it in every way. A clean body is a healthy body. We must follow good habits to stay healthy. So if you want to give or to stay healthy, you are going to clean your body. So a clean body is a healthy body. So for keeping your body clean, first thing when you get up in the morning, you have to brush your teeth, and then you are going to clean your body, or you are going to take bath with water and soap, and then wipe your body with a clean towel. To keep your hair clean, you are going to oil your hair and comb your hair every day. You have to wash your hands before and after eating food and after going to the toilet. And whenever you are eating, you have to eat a healthy food. And whenever you are wearing clothes, the clothes should be clean and it should be ironed. And when you are going to bed at night, then that time you are going to brush your teeth once again, and before going to sleep you have to change your clothes so that you can sleep with your neat and clean clothes before going to bed. And once in a week you have to trim your nails and always see to it that your nails are short and clean. And whenever you are going to sleep, you should go to sleep on time, and you have to have your sleep for at least 8 hours at night. So go to bed early. You have to, if you want to grow healthy and active, you have to exercise every day and play many games. So you have to brush your teeth every day, have a bath every day, then you have to wear neat and clean clothes, you have to go to sleep early and wake up early, and always keep your body neat and clean. Okay, so now we will be going for exercise on page number 15. Color the circle green for a good habit and red for a bad habit. So you have been given with the activities. So first activity, we must sleep late at night. So this is a good habit or a bad habit? This is a bad habit. We must sleep early. So you have to color red, because you have to color red for a bad habit. So color the circle red. We must comb our hair every day. So this is a good habit. So go for green color. We should brush our teeth in the morning and at night. So this is also a good habit. So you are going to put green color. We should wear dirty clothes. Oh, this is a bad habit. So put red. We must keep our nails short and clean. Good habit, so green. Now, here so many pictures are given to you. So you please take out your orange and brown colors. So you have to circle the things which you use daily with orange color, and brown with the things which you use weekly. So daily colors, daily things should be colored in orange, and weekly things should be colored in brown. So let us take first the orange color. Take out the orange color and circle the soap. Soap we are using daily. Towel daily. Then toothbrush daily, and then comb. So soap, towel, toothbrush and comb, circle it with orange color. Now take out your brown color and circle the nail cutter, oil and shampoo. Now next, fill in the blanks. Wash your hands with dash and dash. So write soap and water. Take a dash every day. Take a bath every day. Change your dash before going to sleep. Change your clothes before going to sleep. Wear dash and dash clothes. Wear ironed and clean clothes. Just write the spelling of iron properly. IRONED, ironed and clean clothes. Page number 16. Comb your hair properly. Tick the correct answer. You have to tick the correct answer from the options given to you. So you should oil your hair once a week, month, year. Which one? You have to correct weekly. Weekly you are going to oil your hair. You should sleep at least for 8 hours at night. So you are going to mark it year 8. Okay, last box. You should keep your nails short and clean. So short and clean, you are going to mark year. Short and clean. Okay, short and clean, year you are going to mark. Finished? Now activity time. Use a red crayon to match the things which with the body part is used for. So you have been given with the things and then your body parts. So brush is for what? teeth. So draw with your red crayon, match it with your teeth. Now nail cutter with your nails, soap with your body, and comb with your head. Now put a tick for the children who are clean. Now who are clean, just see, this boy is washing his hands, so he has clean hands, so tick. Now this boy is having dirty clothes, so don't put tick over here. This boy has long nails, so don't put. Now he is cleaning his teeth, so clean teeth is good habit, so put tick. So now here you have to put tick and here you have to put tick. Now let's revise page number 17. We use our back and shoulders or legs to push and carry things. So if you want to push and carry your things, what you are using? You are using your shoulders or legs. Which one you are going to use? You are going to use the shoulders. So circle the word shoulders. We have 10 or 5 fingers in one hand. We have 5 fingers in one hand. So circle number 5. Then a clean or dirty body is a healthy body. A clean body is a healthy body. So circle it as clean. Okay. Now go for we waste, we taste. Sorry. Fourth one. We taste with our tongue or ears. Which one is proper? The word tongue is the correct answer. We taste with our tongue. Okay. Now next one. We should trim our nails once in a month or week. So it will be we should trim our nails once in a week. So circle the word week. We should brush our teeth twice or once a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day, in morning as well as at night. So just circle twice. We must sleep for 4 or 8 hours every night. Circle 8. We use our fingers or legs for eating. We use our fingers. Circle the word finger. Now next one is fill in the blanks. We walk with our legs. We use our hand to write. We have 5 sense organs. Our skin helps us to feel. We should comb our hair every day. We have 2 hands and 2 feet. Each part of the body is important. So write the spelling of important properly. IMPORTANT. Now complete the crosswords. So you can see a crosswords and the downwards. So first you will go for 1. What is this? This is toes. So here you can see 1 number. So write down TOES. Toes. Okay. Now go for across 2 number, nose. So here you can see 2. So just go for NOSE, nose. Now you have number 4 over here. Now you can see 4. The picture is of leg. So go for here 4. L-E-G, leg. Then number 5 is arm. So go here, number 5. You have A-R-M, arm. Then you have 6-I. So go for here 6-I, E-Y-E. E-Y-E-I. Return. E-Y-E written. Now go for down 1. 1 down. So you have already written here T. So put O. N is already written. G-U-E. G-U-E. Return. Now go for down 3. Down 3. Come here. Down 3 has ear. E-A-R, ear. Finished?